What's up, everyone? This is SPC Melbourne, WW69 here from Melbourne, Florida, here to do a short video. This will be my first one on the channel specifically, but I'm going to be unboxing the WR-120. However, this is not my first one. This is actually the third WR-120 I've had ever. The first two I got were both, I both got actually the same Christmas 2012, I think. And 4 years later, they ended up breaking from either battery corrosion, and the other one just I got rid of because it started to just break down a lot. But this one, as you can see over here, there's, it's not like the WR-120s. I mean, it's not like I got a shortage of radios or anything like that. The zoom on this thing sucks, so I'm just gonna get with it here. So first, let's check out the box. Ready out of the box. Simple to customize to your location. Early warning is your best protection. That is true. Oh yeah, Espanol. I do not speak Spanish, so I speak German and English. And most of the stuff back here is in Spanish. But the features: receive alerts only for your local area with specific message encoding technology, or SAME, which is what I call it, or just SAME. Convenient alarm clock, or who cares about that, blah 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 blah. But most importantly for this video, it comes with the radio, AC power adapter, and the owner's manual. So, I say we get to unboxing this thing, huh? Let me see if you lift this little flap here. That was a bit violent. Okay. And the radio here. That's the radio. And there you go. That is the Midland. Now I think it's got little flaps here on the back. It stands itself. Sorry. It stands itself up. Now, more importantly, it comes with this. Let's get this out of here. That is the AC adapter. We won't be using that for now, but we will just be using, actually something interesting. Now it just has a normal AC plug-in. It used to just be one big AC adapter though. The other ones are big boxes, like little bricks almost. Looks like they updated it though, because, I mean, you don't need that much of a box for something this big. But this thing is low power consumption. Now let's get this thing powered up, and then we're gonna actually get the thing set up here. Alright. Number 2. I really suck at getting these things in. Hold on. Okay, this thing is jamming actually. That's the first time this happened. Showing you my radios. As you can see, it's jamming. I'm gonna try and get this thing freed a little bit. Okay. Looks like it's in. I really do not like the batteries for this thing. But here you go. And we're gonna power this thing up. Alright. It says welcome if you can't read it. Because contrast for this camera is garbage. We're gonna slide this thing back on. Midland, made in China. No, you might not be able to see it. I won't blame you. It's a set language. Oh, it doesn't come in German. Oh well. Or set location. To any. Set time. Now the time is, let's see what time it is. It is 4:23. So we're going to set it to 4:23 p.m. as it is Eastern time here. Now this is actually really easy to set up. Or set time. 30.23 inches in. Yep, that's my setup done. Alright. Alright, radio setup is done.
73 degrees.
Now, there are other options for this thing, though.
West Palm
This thing,
it was fair.
to my knowledge,
Temperature 76 degrees. Wind east at
I don't think it's an easy model. Oh, I could explain the difference in a bit, but... Oh, there you go. Now you can see it a bit. Set events. Yeah, you actually get the option now. All defaults. I just go with all defaults, unless you want to scroll through every single one, like this. Now, there's the advisory light. There's the watch light. Her avalanche watch, avalanche warning. You could see boil water warning. You can see how this goes. Now, I just said it's default. Let's actually check the manual here. It actually states which ones specifically are default and which ones are not. So, now if I knew how to handle a manual. Actually, it's not in here. Interesting. But yeah, the manual comes with everything you need to know about functioning, SAM codes, diagrams, low reception safety feature. Yeah. Actually, this is important. Important low reception safety feature. Your radio will beep, check reception, will appear in the display if your radio does not receive an alert for 10 days. It is important that you immediately follow the instructions on page 10 of the owner's manual to improve reception and ensure you receive alerts. This is actually a newer feature, so that kind of confirms to me that this is a easy model. The difference between that and the other ones is mainly the option to switch which alerts you get to see and which ones you don't. That's about it though. But it's actually very easy to set up. If you just want it to set for default, you'd set a location to any, set the time, set the date, whatever, set the channel, and that's literally it. It's very easy to set up, and it says on the box, ready out of the box. It's simple to customize to your location. There you go. This is SBC Melbourne, signing off.